I don't know what's going on. Doomsday prophecy. Felix has been hiding all morning. He wouldn't come for kibbles, treats, nothing. That is not like Felix. And Otis has been shaking. Bugsy's been hiding. And I heard a real deep boom underneath like way deep down in the ground. I don't know what it was. But Felix really acted weird. Otis was asleep, hiding under the covers, when we heard that boom. Now they're back to acting okay, but something's weird. Maybe nothing, I don't know. Who knows, but animals know when an earthquake's about to hit. Maybe Mount Hood blew. I wouldn't be surprised. 33 air miles from here. I haven't called any of the other neighbors to see what they thought. It was a deep boom. Otis was hiding underneath the covers, and he lifted his head. What was it, Otis? What do you think it was? Huh? Was it earthquake? Do you think it was an earthquake? But Felix hiding like he's been hiding all morning. He even called the animal ER. They said even in a life-death emergency, they don't have anything open anywhere near. It's an hour's drive. So, I don't know what to think. Otis, you gonna help me make this through, Felix? What is up with you? I know you're old cat. So, I don't know. But something is going on. Something weird. Now Felix is gonna go hide. Yeah, Felix is gonna go hide. Come on, Felix. Come on. Come on, Felix. What's going on? He never acts this way. Boggies. All by myself. I don't wanna be. Anyway, something's up with Felix. But that boom was weird. The pigeons were just here. Now Felix is eating a kibble, so I guess that's a good sign. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, Tohi. Are we going to have an earthquake? I don't know.